Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Learners Community. Let me ask you something. How many hours did you spend on your phone today? Did you check Instagram, watch YouTube, or maybe binge a series on Netflix? Well, whether we like it or not, technology and social media are everywhere. They connect us, entertain us, and sometimes even control us. That's why today's lesson is so important. We're going to explore technology and social media in English. Learn 20 new vocabulary words, less common but very useful. Connect them to real-life examples. Practice speaking with questions and answers. By the end, you'll sound more fluent and natural when talking about technology. Vocabulary. 1. Algorithm. A set of rules used by apps to decide what content you see. Example, Instagram's algorithm shows me posts I might like. Repeat, algorithm. 2. Bandwidth. The amount of internet data that can move at one time. Example, the video is buffering because of low bandwidth. Repeat, bandwidth. 3. Biometrics. Technology that uses fingerprints, face, or eyes to identify people. Example, I unlock my phone using biometrics. Repeat, biometrics. 4. Firewall. A digital wall that protects computers from attacks. Example, the company installed a firewall to stop hackers. Repeat, firewall. 5. Encryption. The process of making information secret so only certain people can read it. Example, WhatsApp messages are protected with encryption. Repeat, encryption. 6. Artificial intelligence. Technology that makes machines act like humans. ChatGPT is an example of artificial intelligence. Repeat, artificial intelligence. AI. 7. Cloud storage. Saving files on the internet instead of a hard drive. Example, I keep my photos in Google Drive, a cloud storage service. Repeat, cloud storage. 8. Data breach. When private information is stolen from a company or website. Example, the bank lost customers' details in a data breach. Repeat, data breach. 9. Digital footprint. All the information you leave behind when using the internet. Example, be careful, your digital footprint never disappears. Repeat, digital footprint. 10. E-commerce. Buying and selling goods online. Example, Amazon is the largest e-commerce company. Repeat, e-commerce. 11. Firewall fatigue. When people ignore too many security warnings. Example, he clicked a bad link because of firewall fatigue. Repeat, firewall fatigue. 12. Phishing. A trick to steal personal information through fake emails or links. Example, she almost gave her password in a phishing scam. Repeat, phishing. 13. Misinformation. False information shared online, sometimes by mistake. Example, social media spreads misinformation quickly. Repeat, misinformation. 14. Augmented reality. Technology that adds digital images to the real world. Example, Snapchat filters use augmented reality. Repeat, augmented reality. AR. 15. Virtual reality. A computer-made world you can enter with special glasses. Example, He played a VR game that felt very real. Repeat, virtual reality. VR. 16. Latency. The delay between sending and receiving data. Example, online gamers hate high latency. Repeat, latency. 17. Monetization. The process of making money from online content. Example, she monetized her YouTube channel with ads. Repeat, monetization. 18. Streaming service. A company that delivers entertainment online. Example, Netflix is the most popular streaming service. Repeat, streaming service. 19. Cybersecurity. Protection of computers and online systems from attacks. Example, banks spend millions on cybersecurity. Repeat, cybersecurity. 20. Digital detox. A break from technology and social media. Example, I take a digital detox every weekend to relax. Repeat, digital detox. Excellent! You just learned 20 advanced words about technology. Real-life connection. Imagine this. You wake up, unlock your phone with biometrics, and open an app. You notice the algorithm is showing you shopping ads. This is part of e-commerce. You stream music on Spotify, but suddenly there's latency because your bandwidth is low. Later, you read the news about a data breach at a big company, and you realize your digital footprint might be at risk. At work, your office installs a firewall and improves cybersecurity after employees fall for a phishing attack. But it's not all bad. Technology is exciting too. Students are learning with AI, doctors use AR to train, and gamers escape into virtual reality worlds. Influencers talk about monetization, and families relax together on streaming services. Still, remember, balance. Sometimes you need a digital detox to enjoy real life. Now, it's your turn. I'll ask a question, pause, think, and answer. Then I'll give you a model answer. Have you ever worried about a data breach? Yes, once my email was hacked after a data breach. Now I use strong passwords. Which streaming service do you use the most? I use Netflix the most because I love watching documentaries. Would you like to try virtual reality or augmented reality? Why? I'd like to try VR because I want to experience traveling to other countries without leaving home. Do you think social media algorithms are good or bad? They are both good and bad. They show me interesting content, but sometimes I waste too much time scrolling. How do you protect your cybersecurity? I protect my cybersecurity by using antivirus software and never clicking on suspicious links. Let's quickly review today's 20 words. Algorithm, bandwidth, biometrics, firewall, encryption, artificial intelligence, cloud storage, data breach, digital footprint, e-commerce, firewall fatigue, phishing, misinformation, augmented reality, virtual reality, latency, monetization, streaming service, cybersecurity, and digital detox. Technology is a powerful tool. It can connect, teach, and entertain us. But it also brings risks like misinformation and phishing. The secret is balance. Learn to use it wisely, protect your privacy, And don't forget the value of real-life human connections. Thank you for listening to English Learners Community. Practice today's vocabulary by making your own sentences and share them with a friend. Until next time, stay safe, stay curious, and keep learning.